So looking around at the modern world of finance, you have a whole heap of players broadly known in the space of financial technology who are coming up with new and interesting ways to provide financing solutions for people outside of the traditional model, so outside of banks, outside of general finance companies. That world, broadly financial technology or alternative finance, is a really interesting space, and there's a lot more products and services now coming onto the market to help people, quite often in very niche and specific sectors. So just looking at that, we have a whole bunch here within Australia that are covering really a wide range of financing products and services. So we're talking about business financing, we're talking about investments and financial advice, we're talking about consumer lending and consumer payments, really right across the spectrum. So if you look at a player like ourselves, Edstart, a very specific model, going in and solving for one particular problem with a new platform and a new way of thinking around things. Similarly with Valiant and the small business world, looking at solving for one particular segment of the market that's been largely underserved by more traditional financiers. So it's a really interesting place to be in, and I really encourage Australian consumers and business broadly to have a look at some of these new options that are available that are really solving for particular problems that probably sit outside the traditional bank and finance company space.